Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create roles in Discord. Roles in Discord help manage server members by assigning permissions. They also control colors and role hierarchy. To create a role, open your Discord server, click on your server name, and open Server Settings. Go to Roles and click on Create Role. Give the role a name, such as Moderator. Next, open the Permissions section. Choose the permissions you want to assign, such as view channels or manage roles. Go to Display to assign a color to the role. Select any color you like. Once the role is created, assign it to members from the Members section. This example server has no members yet. If members are available, right-click a username, select Roles, and choose the role. Using roles effectively helps organize your server. Roles allow you to control access and manage responsibilities. We've learned how to create roles, customize permissions and colors, and assign them to members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.